I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. What does this mean? What does this mean? How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? Can you help me? Can you help me? Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do? How much is this? How much is this? What time is it? What time is it? I am learning English. I am learning English. I need more practice. I need more practice. I feel nervous. I feel nervous. I am getting better. I am getting better. That sounds good. That sounds good. Let's start. Let's start. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. I agree with you. I agree with you.